Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting geometry problem. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new content. And don't forget to like and comment on this video as well. Let's get started. First of all, let us study the diagram. If you observe, this is a right angle triangle because we have an angle of 90 degrees right here. We also have an inscribed circle. Why is it an inscribed circle? Because all the sides of this triangle are touching the part of the circumference. And you should know that any line touching a circle at exactly one point is said to be a tangent. Therefore, this line is a tangent, this one, and likewise this one. And lastly, you should know that whenever two tangents meet at a point, you can see that this and this meet at this point. They are said to have equal length from the point of tangency. What does that mean? It means that from this point down to this is equal to from this down to this. If that is the case, this line here will bisect this line, meaning it will divide it equally. So if this angle is A, this must be A. That is what it means, because this line will divide this angle equally. The same thing here, if you come down here, if this is B, this must be B as well. Okay, let us pay attention to the right angle triangle, which is this one. Remember that the sum of all the interior angles equals 180 degrees. Well, already we have 90 degrees here, which implies that the moment you add these two angles together, you shall obtain 90 degrees, because 90 plus 90 is 180. All right, so if we add 2a and 2b together, we have 90 degrees. 2a plus 2b equals 90 degrees. Divide every single term by 2. 2a divided by 2 is a, 2b divided by 2 is b, and 90 divided by 2 is 45. Which means that the sum of a and b will give us 45 degrees. So now let us pay attention to this triangle here. Already, b plus a is 45 degrees. What will be the measure of this angle right here? That's our next target. So if this angle is A, this is B, and we call this C, A plus B plus C must give us 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. But we have seen that A plus B is 45 degrees from here, right? So let's substitute it. 45 degrees plus C equals 180 degrees, and C equals 180 degrees minus 45. Therefore, angle C is equal to 135 degrees. All right, it implies that this angle here is 135, but remember we are looking for this angle at the back, which we call X. So finally, if this angle is 135, what will be the angle of X? Angle at a point equals 360 degrees, which means that the moment you add these two angles, you shall obtain 360 degrees. Therefore, X plus 135 equals 360. And X equals 360 minus 135. And this will give us 225 degrees. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.